I'm going to teach you how to change the price on your Facebook Marketplace listings. Whether you're adjusting to make a quicker sale or updating due to market trends, these simple steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. So let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to Facebook Marketplace. To do this, log into your Facebook account and locate the Marketplace icon on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking this will take you to the Marketplace homepage. Once you're here, find the Your Listings tab. This is where you'll see all the items you currently have up for sale. This step is crucial because it gathers all your tools in one spot, making it easy to manage everything from prices to descriptions. Now that you're in the Your Listings section, it's time to locate the specific item for which you want to change the price. Browse through your active listings until you find the one you wish to edit. Once identified, look at the Options menu, denoted by 3 dots, often referred to as the ellipsis. Click on these 3 dots to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Listing. This action opens a new page dedicated to editing the details of your selected item. With the editing page open, scroll down to find the price field. This is where you'll enter your new desired price. Consider the current market rate, the demand for your item, and your urgency to sell when deciding on this new price. Enter the updated price in the space provided. It's always a good idea to double check your entry to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied with the new price and have verified that everything else on your listing is accurate and up to date, it's time to finalize your changes. To do this, look for the option to save or publish at the bottom or top of the page. Clicking this button will update your listing with the new price. If you've made your listing more competitive, be prepared for potential buyers to contact you soon. And there you have it. Your new price is now live for all potential buyers to see. Remember, pricing is pivotal in attracting the right buyers. Keeping your prices competitive while ensuring a fair value based on market trends will maximize your chances of a sale. If after a while your item hasn't sold, you can always revisit these steps to adjust the price again. Following these simple steps will ensure your listings remain relevant and attract the maximum number of interested buyers. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your Facebook Marketplace listings. Happy selling!